Hey guys, it's Sarah, and funny, I didn't even know this existed, but this is a little chain. This one is the 10-inch black. It has a hook here on the end and like a little clip. I always just hung my ferns way up high with the little hook that was provided, like that came with the house when we bought it or whatever. And it was always a pain to get down. So here's the hook. That's what I used to hang it off of. So that's what it looked like. But then I got these. I don't know how I didn't know these were a thing. It just never occurred to me. Well, I found them, and look at the other ones over there. They look so much nicer. I love them like that. They're gonna be so much easier to take down and put back up. And it actually looks nicer than all crunched up to the top like that. So wow, new to me, probably not new to y'all, but if you don't have them, get you some. You don't have to hang ferns, you can hang all sorts of things. Wind chimes, you can hang, what else do you think? Bird feeders, hummingbird feeders, all sorts of things, guys. Wow, so nice. And I got the black. There's other colors you can choose from, but yeah, there you have it. Okay, bye.